here we go again. We're at the roundabout at Redland Road and Fire Tower Road, and we're going to do an update today. It's Saturday the 19th of March. We're going to go around this water tower, and we're looking north. Toward the Mulder Church area. Beautiful day to fly today. Absolutely gorgeous. About 65 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky. Anyway, there's another market or gas station going in at the roundabout. Fly over here and get a little better view of what they're doing. Now this is looking southwest, and that's Dozier Road in the center left, and Fire Tower Road in the center right, and then of course Redland Road runs right down the middle. I'm kind of curious as to how the roundabout is going to be formed here, but it's coming right along. Here we are looking back to the east toward the Redland Market in the upper right hand corner. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.